Hey guys, it's Kent Bless the Farm right here dealing today with some frozen water for our chickens and our sheep. Be right back. Got a hawk flying around right now and they're trying to hide now. Alright guys, we got a hose that goes to the watering system here. I got the 5-gallon buckets that we showed you how to make in the previous video. I'll show you those. Those are freezing up. The line here that comes out of the ground and over to the water system in the chicken coop is freezing up. So we're going to pour some fresh water in this small mixing trough. Not too much. Then we'll stick it inside the coop. In here out of the way so they can have some fresh water, but not too deep they can drown in it. Got the food and their fresh water, and of course the heat lamp. Keep them nice and toasty. Supposed to get down into the teens tonight. So there you go guys, that's how we're going to try to keep the water thawed out and the chickens hydrated with their food and keep warm with the temperatures here in northeast Texas going down into the teens and high 20s tonight. Alright, so keep you abreast of what's happening, and I appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for watching. This is a quick short little video to say hey and tell you I'm still here. Alright man, well hey, we love y'all, live well, and first and foremost y'all, God bless you and have a wonderful, wonderful new year. Guys, real quick, coming up here in early March, we're going to have a seed swap here in northeast Texas. Talk to y'all about it all up until that point. Have flyers coming out, posters coming out, invitations for anybody who wants to come. All right, it's going to be here locally. Bring your seeds you have abundance of. Collect seeds you don't have anything like. We'll all get together and meet a bunch of folks. And I got a few sponsors that have given us some books and some videos and cookbooks and all sorts of things. All right, a big old giveaway, and we can meet folks and collect seeds and trade seeds. So I'll be letting y'all know a lot more about that in every video. All right. So again, guys, love y'all, live well, and God bless.